Hi there. In the last video, we created the platform class, which works by simply extending the GameObject class. In this video, we will add the platform to the stage with a better hierarchy. We will create a world container. Then, we'll put the avatar and platforms into the world. We will also store all the references of the platform. Then, we'll add the world stage. We will create a new class named World. It is not a game object, it is a container for our game objects. So we directly extend the world to the create.js.container class. The purpose of the world is to store the hero and all the platforms. In the future, we can add platform management logic inside the class. We can also control the offset of the world to make it follow the avatars running in future. So, by creating this class, we encapsulate the world logic in one place. In the constructor, we define an array to store all the platform's references. We need those references to create and remove platforms during gameplay. We create a new method called addHero and cut and paste the hero creation logic here. We also create a method called generatePlatforms and put the platform creation logic here. To make things different, we create two platforms and place them in the world by having a little gap between them. The gap will be used to test the jumping logic in the next section. Since we have defined a new display object, it won't appear on the screen until we add it to the stage. In the restart game method, we remove the existing code. Then, we create an instance of the world class and add it to the stage. Let's test the game in our browser. Visually, there is not much difference compared to the previous code, but now we know that the game objects hierarchy is better organized. We have created a container to store all the world objects. This allows us to put other non-game objects on the stage easily in the future. For example, head-up display, such as the game score or the game menu. We have finished this section with a new game preparation. We drew the graphics and animation. We defined a class that controls the common logic of each game object. We also implemented a hero and a platform class, and put them on the stage with a world container. In the next section, we will move the avatar. We will add gravity to the game, and also make sure that the avatar runs and jumps to avoid the gaps between platforms.